All right, so when you guys are doing a problem like this and we're trying to simplify, again, our goal is to simplify to a constant or a single trig function. Okay, Hildy? There's a seat that's available right there if you need it. Now, it might be kind of difficult for you guys to think about what to do when you're looking at all these sines and cosines. So one of the best things that, as I mentioned, you guys, these are the first step you're going to be doing is usually applying some algebraic properties. Well, a lot of times to do algebraic properties, let's put our brain back into the context of when we did algebra, was with algebra with different variables. So a lot of times what I like to do is rewrite this in terms of x's and y's. And just look at this problem as x cubed minus x times y squared. Is there anything that I could do as far as adding, subtracting, multiplying, factoring?
No.
Yeah, we could factor by factoring out an x. Would you guys agree with me?
Sure.
I could factor out an x. Dang it, I wrote the problem wrong again. Wait, did I write it wrong? I can't remember the problem. Yes, I wrote the problem. I did that last class period too. So weird.
I bet you're just as excited as we are for the degree.
I guess so. All right, do you guys see this?
Yes.
What did you change?
The plus sign.
Oh.
Does everybody understand what I did here?
Yes.
The mat with algebra.
Yes.
I just had an x. I factored out an x. OK.
Oh.
Again, do not get confused. All I'm saying is if you get stuck here, think of this, x cubed plus x y squared. Totally different problem. But do you see how this problem is in the same format as that problem, right? So I'm saying is if you get stuck doing this, rewrite it in terms of x's and y's. Then you could say, oh, I could factor out an x. Right? So here, what was our equivalent to our x? A sine. So we can factor out a sine. So when I factor out a sine of x, I'm left with sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x. Correct? OK. Now, if you guys look at your identities, you have the Pythagorean identities. And the first Pythagorean identity says the sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Sine squared of an angle plus cosine squared of an angle is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So sine of x times 1 is just equal to sine of x. Ta-da! That's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's all you had to do. I don't know why I recorded that. I did